Hello. What is going on over here? Hi, I'm Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. And over here, I've got two of my Africans. They're Congos. And we've got this new behavior that I've never seen before. Adonis on the left is poking around in the mud. Hi, Venus. Venus sees me. She's like giving me that evil eye. We're really wondering what Adonis is doing. I wonder if there's some old seeds in there or something, palm seeds. And I don't know, for 20 minutes she's been going through it. And of course, the minute I start filming, she stops. But this is a part of what I call letting your parrot bridge worlds. They do interact with us some, but it's really important for them to not stare at the camera, do their normal thing, which they're not doing now, but do some parrot things. Keep some parrot-ness. Have some access to the parrot world where they're doing very normal parrot things, like there's one of our African capes walking around, balancing, eating some leaves, eating some palm nuts. Look at these guys. Let's see, there's Tesla. Oh, see what I mean? Working their muscles, having some balance. Now, I'm not saying you should have a palm tree in your house. Maybe you should. I don't know. But, I think that when you're interested, I've seen some people bird rooms that are incredible. It's made for a bird, and I'm like, I want to go be there because it looks so awesome. I think that when you're interested in recreating things for your parrots, do you see there are some wild birds out there? There's ducks and ebis. I think you find ways, things show up, like that dirt. And these two girls, they're having a great time this morning. They're just like walking around the rock, poking around, looking around. It's so good for them. They're getting fresh air. They're getting not really sun, but some indirect UV and UV light, which they need. And right now, there's not a whole lot out because the sun isn't up too high. The capes are squabbling, not in a bad way. They're just being birds. And everyone is enjoying some parrot time, being a parrot. It doesn't mean that they're not going to be good pets. On the contrary, I think it makes them stronger individuals with their parrotness. So there's a little Parrot Bliss. Oh, look, is she going to do it again? Hi, Adonis. Watching to see what she does, but we've never observed that behavior before. It makes sense. My husband said I think he's seen like some documentaries where some birds do that, kind of go through the mud. Now we can't see what she's doing, and I don't want to disturb her. But this is like, excuse me, the ultimate enrichment, because enrichment is when you bring them some natural leaves, branches, berries, flowers, and you let them destroy it. I'll just be honest and direct. That's what they do. Let me see if I can get another angle on her. And so this is like the ultimate enrichment. Yeah, I think she's going after seeds. But, she's having to forage a little for it. Well, look at that. She's getting the palms out of the way that she doesn't want. She's like, move out of my way. And there's her. I've always been plucked since I was adopted Venus, Buddy. And Venus is actually doing a little better. And one reason I think that my pluckers are plucking less is because we give them outdoor time. I'm very fortunate. We have a lanai. You could see the lanai right there. It's like, you know, screen. And so they're in their cage out front, inside a lanai. And so even if they get out of their cage, they're safe. It's like a double system. It's been fantastic. I highly recommend it. Look at that. So, it's such a wonderful thing. Oh, look, they killed that branch. Can you see that one branch that's flopped over? That's what they do. I sometimes think I need to be careful and make sure to protect my plant from my parrots. All right, well, thank you for joining me in this blissful, enriching, and mud sorting video. If you have any questions about parrots, please be sure to comment below. You can also join our group at Facebook Flock and visit parrotbliss.com, where you can get TINK'S must-have CBD oil that is super good for de-stressing your parrot or helping support their immune system. Until the next feathered, enriching video. And actually one of the videos that'll be coming is macaw versus Amazon. Who's louder, or how would I compare the two loudnesses, because they're both loud. Until next time.